Hi, this is Latif. You're watching Moon Triple Three. Hope you're well. Today we'll take a look at the Bitcoin price action's new move. The information I'm providing here is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my video, which I posted on 16th of Feb, we have seen that the Bitcoin is moving up, same as like we move upstairs while using the steps. First, we lift our foot more than the level of the next step and place it on the next step and use it as a support. And repeating the same action, we reach the top. The Bitcoin is doing the same. It is using the next resistance level as a support to reaching the next resistance level and use the next resistance level as a support to reach the next resistance level again. Just keep this point in your mind that the Bitcoin is moving up like we move upstairs using the steps is very much important point, but we will discuss about this point later in this video. First, we need to see some more things about the price action of the Bitcoin. Those are really connected to this point. This is the 2-day chart, and we can see that we have received a bull cross between exponential moving average, the EMA 10 and EMA 20. This blue one is the EMA 10, and this red one is the EMA 20. And so far, the price action did not break down the EMA 10. First, it has used the EMA 10 as a support on 23rd and 25th of January, and now it is again using the EMA 10 and even EMA 20 at this time as a support. Why I'm using the exponential moving averages here rather using the simple moving averages because exponential moving averages has more exponential moves, fast moves, and flexible moves. They show their flexibility while the price action moves down, and they works like if we play the badminton and when the shuttle comes over the head, we pull our arm back over the head and smash the shuttle to the other person's court. Same as like that, the EMAs or exponential moving averages work on the chart. They have more flexibility than the simple moving averages. Simple moving averages don't have such flexibility like the EMAs show on the chart. Like for example, here we can see that the price action is moving down. The EMA is showing some flexibility and moving down. And after that, the EMA is pushing the price action up. And at this time, we can see the price action is again moving down, and the EMA is also moving down to push the price action again back and playing a role of strong support at this time. Therefore, this exponential moving average 10 has a very important role in this bull rally of the Bitcoin this time, because since the bull rally is started and we have received the bull cross between these two EMAs, the price action is using the EMA 10 as a support for the next bullish move. And at this time, the price action is again hitting at the exponential moving average 10. And again, if we move to the small time period chart on the 4-hour chart, this chart is very much important on this bull rally because in my previous video, we have seen that on 4-hour chart, the price action formed a bullish crab pattern. And after formation of bullish crab pattern and retraced up to 1.283 Fibonacci, the last leg was retraced up to here, and the price action took the bullish divergence, and there was some small bull move, and after that the price action again dropped and likely to form a temporary channel between $9,501 and $9,819. And this time we have a very strong support of simple moving average 200 just below this channel for the price action. You can see we have two touches at this simple moving average, and after that the price action moved up again. So if someone want to use something to stop loss at this time, so I'll suggest to use this simple moving average 200 or this support. That will be more better if you use the simple moving average 200 on this 4-hour chart as your stop loss. And again, on this 4-hour chart, if we see there is a very positive move, since this bull rally is started, this bull move is started, we can see that whenever on 4-hour chart, the RSI is going in oversold and we are receiving a bull cross from the stochastic and the momentum is turning bullish, then the RSI always go in the overbought zone. And after that, when the RSI again enter in the oversold zone and we receive a bull cross from the stochastic and the momentum turns bullish, then the price action starts another bull rally and the RSI went in the overbought zone. And when the next time the RSI enter in the oversold zone and we receive a stochastic bull cross and the momentum also with these two signals give the bull cross or turns bullish, then we can see that the price action moves up and starts again another bull rally. And here last time we received this signal here on 17th of Feb when the RSI went in oversold zone and we received a bull cross from the stochastic and the momentum was turned even strong bullish, but after a small bull move we have seen a retracement or price correction by the price action of the Bitcoin. It was supposed to move up like it has been doing in the previous history of this rally, but this time it dropped down again. This is the same move I think it was happened here this time on 24th of January bullish move. We can see that we had received a bull cross by the stochastic. The RSI was also in the oversold zone, and we also received a weak bearish signal or bullish signal because it was turned from the strong bearish to weak bearish. So it was a kind of bull signal from the momentum. The price action moved a little bit up and after that again dropped down again and we received another bull signal from the momentum and another bull cross from the stochastic and the price action started a real bull move at that time. So this time we can see again that here first the momentum turned bullish and we received a stochastic bull cross and the RSI was also in the oversold zone. So this was a confirmation that the Bitcoin is likely to start another bull move, but after some little bit bull move, the price action again dropped down, and we just received a death cross or bear cross by the stochastic, and it was the momentum turned again strong bearish. But again, the momentum is turned bullish, and we have received another bull cross today by the stochastic. So I'm expecting there will be another bull move started soon by the price action of the Bitcoin. Now come back to the main point where I just told you that the price action is moving up like we move upstairs using the previous resistance as a support. First, let me to change it to the day chart. Now we can see that first the price action moved up and broke down this resistance almost at $8,314 and moved down again and retested the previous resistance as a support and moved up again and broke out the next resistance level at $9,820. And now the price action was supposed to use this resistance, the previous resistance, as a support and moved up again to the next resistance level almost at $11,000. But this time we can see that the price action has apparently broken down this previous resistance which was being retested as a support this time. And this is the second candlestick we have which is closed below this support level of $9,820. But this time the Bitcoin is making a bit tricky move because in my previous video I've already told you that if we will receive that the bull cross or bull signals from MACD and the bull cross from the stochastic on this day chart and we will be at this resistance level, then definitely the price action will move up to the next resistance level at $11,000 like we have seen this situation here on 27th of January when the price action was retesting this previous support at $8,314 and we received a bull cross from the stochastic and the MACD was turned weak bearish from strong bearish and after that it was turned very strong bearish and we have seen a very strong bull rally or bull move by the price action. So this time, even though apparently the price action has broken down this previous this support, and we have two candlesticks below this support level, but after breaking this support, if we see on the 12-hour chart, the stochastic has given us the bull cross here on 18th of Feb, and other bull cross we have received today, yesterday, and today as well. And the MACD was first turned weak bearish on 18th of Feb, and it is now again turned weak bearish from strong bearish. And this bull signal is reflected up to 23-hour chart. I'm just turning the chart to the 23 hours, and now we can see we have received a bull cross on by the stochastic on this 23-hour chart, and the MACD is also turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and it is turning bullish now. But if it is turned bullish up to 23-hour chart, then soon there are more possibilities that it will be turned bullish and reflected up to 24-hour chart, which is our daily or day chart. And once these signals will be received on the day chart, then I'm pretty sure that the Bitcoin will move up to the next resistance level almost at $11,000. The exact resistance is at $10,940. So we can have a spike up to $11,000. So there are more chances this time. Therefore, the next 1, 2, or 3 days are very much important. Maybe we'll receive these bull signals today, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow. Then when we'll receive these bull signals on the day chart, I'm pretty sure that the price action will move to the $11,000. So this was the update so far from the Bitcoin price action. I'll definitely keep you updated and post more videos on the Bitcoin when I'll receive more developments, and I'll post more articles on that. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel and follow me. Take care. Goodbye.